Great news, Beyond Cool's back. Today we're going to do something that seems so simple, but a lot of people struggle. I've been doing this for a long time, and it's how to boil the egg perfectly, and of course, how to peel it perfectly. So stay tuned, and if this is your first time on this channel, great news. You will hear great things from Beyond Cool with great hacks. So the first thing you do is don't turn on the stove and put in the eggs. You can pick a bigger pot, but in this demonstration we're going to do 7 boiled eggs. I already put water in it, halfway full, and what I'm trying to do is cover the egg totally with water. In this case, just needs a little bit more water, so I will just top it off. Perfect. Add some salt. Sea salt would be even better. A pinch of sea salt, and then turn on the stove to high. And what we're going to do is we're going to wait until it boils, and when it does boil, what we will do is turn it off and put on a lid that would fit this pot. So let's wait, let's see what happens. I'll be back as soon as we start to see a boil. Good news, just a couple minutes and the water is ready at a boil. I do want to see a little bit more bubbles. That means that the water is even hotter, which is super cool. I'm going to put a lid on it, and then I'm going to shut off the stove, and then we're going to wait 15 minutes. And then after 15 minutes does occur, I'll show you the next step. So it is coming to a boil. It's perfect. It's shaking. The eggs won't crack. Lid is on. Stove is off. Timer to 15 minutes. And I'll see you back in 15 minutes. So we're less than 40 seconds away, and as soon as we hear the timer, it's been 15 minutes with the stove off for our hard-boiled eggs. I put 5 big ice cubes in a bowl of cold water. We're going to shock the eggs, and that's going to help peel the eggs a lot easier. So as soon as we hear a beep, we will scoop them out and put them in the ice bath. And I can't wait to peel these eggs and show you how easy they are. Oh, now 13 seconds. Oh, I want to peek so bad, but I won't. 7 seconds, lucky number 7. And as soon as we hear a beep, I'll hit the cancel button, lift up. Whoa, look at that steam. Look at that steam. So let's put these nice eggs right in the cold water. None of them are broken. I said they won't break. And the reason why I do 15 minutes is that's the way I like the egg, the yolk to be. Some people like it a little bit more softer, so then they will do only 10 minutes. Some people even like it kind of droopy in a way, so they will only leave it covered for 5 minutes. 15 minutes is my go-to time. You need to do it the way you like it. I'm not going to tell you how to eat your eggs or your hard-boiled eggs. And right now they're cooling down. They're cooling down. So we're about to peel them in 2 minutes. I'm going to move it to the board, and then we're going to peel them. Okay, let's grab one of these eggs and let's get going. So my counter is clean, and I like to just bang it gently. Some people like to do it along the bowl, and then some people like to softly roll. Again, it's whatever you like. And then of course I like to find the opening, and I'm going super slow so you can see in slow motion without me slowing down the camera. And all I'm doing is gently peeling the egg, hard-boiled egg back, and there you go. Oh, I got one little piece. So that will go on the side. I use this water because it's super clean to rinse it, put it in the bowl, and there we go. So let's do one more. So again, just nicely break it, and then roll it. I can't wait to show you how I'm going to make these eggs look pretty. When food looks pretty or cool, people want to eat it. Again, this egg's peeling perfectly. There's the shell, here's the egg. Rinse it, pop it in. Let's go for 3. So one more, and then I'll peel these other ones without you needing to be online, because I do want to dress up these eggs to be super amazing. And again, just banging and rolling. I did it at the bottom. You have to take a chance when you do it at the bottom, because that's where sometimes it pulls and you can rip your egg. So I didn't bang this egg as much or rolled it. So if that's the case, I just need to gently remind it who the boss is. And this one, of course, 3, is giving me some trouble. So I'll wash my hands in there. I love it. I love it. Temperamento. But I'm not going to give up, because every once in a while you get that one that wants to fight with you. But guess what? I'm not going to give up. Hope you don't. And guess what? The shell's there. Oh, there's another piece right here. I'll rinse it, and there we go. Perfect egg. A little temperamento though. And I'm going to do the rest, and we're going to make these look delicious. So all the eggs are now ready to go. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways I like to make them look cool. And I know I use the word pretty also, so let's make it look pretty cool. So we had 7 eggs that we hard boiled, and we have 4 in a regular little plate and 3 in these really cool egg cups. Again, presentation is key to a lot of things in good life. So I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of sea salt on both of them for some flavor. Then I'm going to sprinkle black pepper on them. And the reason why I have this plate underneath is if there's anything that extra falls, you don't have to clean your counter. And just be an artist with your shakers. And I like finely ground pepper. I could have used my my twist ground pepper, but sometimes it's better just to go fast when you're doing things in a rush. And again, you know how much I love cayenne. This is cayenne pepper. If you don't like the heatness, then I would put on paprika instead. It will still give you that red look. So this is paprika. So again, beyond cool, showing you a little trick. And when someone sees that, all they want to do is eat it. So this is, well, let me pick this one. This one is super cool. Oh, I can smell the spices. That is beautiful. So once again, beyond cool, showing you my way of the perfect hard-boiled egg. Please remember to subscribe, and I will always send cool hacks, and I will definitely respond to your comments. Ciao for now. So, I'm bad actually. The eggs went really quickly, the ones in these. So the hard-boiled egg, I never did cut it so you can see it. So I already cut one. Lucky I kept some before they all went. And that is beautiful. That is beautiful. As you can see right here, it's a perfect yellow. There's no dark colors around the yellow, and that's sometimes meaning that you overcooked your hard-boiled egg. It is the perfect texture for a hard-boiled egg, in my opinion. And a lot of people debate saying, oh, if your eggs are old, they're easier to peel. It doesn't matter if you do it properly. Once again, Beyond Cool showing off his cool hacks.